Hi there, this is MAQ Project 5. Today we'll be talking about basic technical skills required to become a quality engineer in any industry. Do you have interest of quality engineering? Do you want to change your career to quality engineering? Are you a graduate looking to become a quality engineer? This video will give you insight of basic skills you need to acquire. Most organizations split quality engineering responsibilities into three: plant or system quality engineering, supplier quality engineering, and customer quality engineering. But all three responsibilities require below in-depth knowledge of 1. Process flow chart. Understand the product or service processes from the product or service input to output or deliverables. 2. Process failure mode and effect analysis. Identify a possible failure mode per each process step. 3. Control plans. To manage possible failures, might acquire poka-yoke systems, define methods, PLC data collection and trained, or checklist and inspections to gather information to understand the system performance and continuously improve if necessary. 4. Problem-solving techniques. This will enable you to solve all failures detected during data collection and analysis to improve the system. Other technical skills can be either input or output of the above skills listed. Thank you for watching. Please share this video